Miss Palawan. Kumbaga, Miss Palawan po at ang question answer nila ay tungkol sa impeachment. Napakaganda po nito. Pakinggan po natin ito ha.
Yes. Easy. All right. Are you ready?
Yes.
One of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is the impeachment case of the Vice President of the Philippines.
Ayan daw, ang pinakamainit na issue daw ngayon daw ay ang Vice President of the Philippines impeachment. Diretso.
Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters. Sabi
daw ng iba, yung dapat daw unahin muna ang mga paggawa ng batas ng Senado.
While others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed.
Ang iba naman po ay sabi na ang impeachment trial ay dapat ituloy. Ganda ng tanong
As it is constitutionally mandated.
Dahil ito po ay mandato sa konstitusyon. Ganda ng tanong
What is your stand on this issue?
Okay.
Should the Senate focus on its legislative function? Or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why? Would you like me to repeat the question for you?
Yes, please.
All right. One of the pressing issues facing the is the impeachment case of the Vice President of the Philippines. Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters, while others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed. As it is constitutionally mandated, what is your stand on this issue? Should the Senate focus on its legislative function, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why?
Thank you for that question. It is really a critical question, but I do believe that as citizens and as a citizen of the Philippines, I do believe that we should focus more on the legislative matter.
Ay, talo to, talo. Talo. Talo ka na, te. Talo ka na. Talo to. Talo. Mag-focus daw sa paggawa ng batas. Talo to.
But because this is democracy thrives when people takes its part. And I do believe that when we focus more on what truly matters, on what's going on in our world, rather than the impeachment, we should first focus on what should we do. What does really matter? What is really the issue here in the Philippines?
Talo ka, Neng. Talo. Sorry, Neng, Sorry. Paano ka gagawa ng batas? Di ba? Paano ka gagawa ng batas kung meron kang mga ng gobyerno? Paano ka gagawa ng batas kung may ka ng gobyerno na kinukuha lang ang pera ng pinagpagudan natin? Di ba, Tol? Shout out, Tol Chris Ulo, shout out. Tol, may ako ngayon. Tol, may investigasyon akong ginanap. Nagsimula ako kay Pebbles. Tapos grabe na ko na yung Yanson Group, baka makulong ako nito sa investigasyon ko, nag-research ako maghapon. Kami ay tatalakayin ko Talo to, DDS to, DDS.
And aside from that, of course, we should balance how we should solve that problem in our government, because our government should have the integrity. The leaders of this world depends.
Naka-green, tama. DDS to, DDS. DDS to. Gagawa ka ng batas. Halimbawa, ang batas na magkakaroon ng 5,000 bawat Pilipino. Pero yung politiko mo, kurakot, wala rin. Paano? How? Mami Chris Rose, how you gonna implement the law? How you gonna implement the law wherein the politician or the government is killing the budget of the Filipino people?
We depend on the leaders of this world. So rather, when we focus on this legislative matters, rather than focusing on the impeachment, then we can have a more progressive society, but rather balancing between the two. So we need to choose first. As we assess that, we can ensure that we can have a better society for all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Talo ka, Ning. Miss, talo ka. Sorry talo ka na.
Mutianang Nara, your 60 seconds is now over. Thank you so much. You know what, partner? Our question is quite tricky and I couldn't agree more to Miss Mutianang Nara.
Mahirap.
Mutianang Nara, sorry Mutianang Nara. Boo. Boo. Tayo sa pangalawa tayo.
Give the candidate really that 60 second silence para makapag-isip po sila and so they could deliver their answer, right?
This is really grace on the...
Tama, unahin yung batas, di ba, Lex? I-legalize natin yung pagnanakaw. Pwede! Di ba? I-legalize natin yung pagnanakaw. Pero kung ako tatanungin, what can you say? Ano daw ang unahin ko? Batas or what do you call this? Batas, paggawa ng batas o impeachment? Thank you for the wonderful question. For me, in my own opinion and the wonderful this universe, for me, how can we proceed if we in ourselves is not yet ready for the change that we need? For me, in my own humble opinion, we must put first to cleanse the government official that really inherited corruption within his and her family. Because in this kind of situation, we have a vice president which doesn't want to explain where the people money is. If this situation pursue, therefore, we cannot tackle or even make a law because the government official of the land is really destroying the law that we make. And I thank you. Basic! Diba? Basic na basic. Tuloy natin to.
Pressure partner. Let's give a moment of silence once again. Let us give that to our top 5 finalists as they answer the question. I think our next Mutia is now with us.
So ito.
Mutia ng Kuyo, are you
Mutia ng Kuyo. Pakinggan natin, Mutia ng Kuyo.
ready for your common question?
Yes po.
Mutia ng Kuyo, you have 60 seconds to answer this question. You better listen carefully. Are you ready?
Yes po.
All right. Your question is, one of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is the impeachment case of the Vice President of the Philippines. Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters, while others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed. As it is constitutionally mandated, what is your stand on this issue? Should the Senate focus on its legislative function, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why?
Okay. So, I stand on the issues of the leaderships is yung mga batang walang kaalaman at nag-aaral lang po sa liblib na lugar. Dapat po bigyan natin sila ng pansin, lalo na ang edukasyon po ang pag-asa, or ang education is a foundation.
Nako, Miss Kuyo, talo ka. Talo ka. Talo rin to. Talo rin to. Talo to. Pagpuusan daw yung edukasyon. Nanggaling na nga sa DepEd eh. Kita mo, nawawala po yung pera. Talo tayo niyan, Miss Kuyo.
strong nation. Kaya po naniniwala ako na ang kabataan ang pag-asa ng bayan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.
Grabe, bagong-bago yun. Ang kabataan ay pag-asa ng bayan. Bago yun Bago yun. Bago yun Ngayon ko lang narinig yun. Ngayon ko lang narinig yun, Miss Kuyo, sa tanan ng buhay ko. Ngayon ko lang narinig yung ang pag-asa ng bayan, ng kabataan. Bago yun Dapat ginanito mo. Naniniwala po ako na dapat po unahin po natin ang paglilinis ng ating gobyerno. Dahil po, para po itong kamatis na sinabi ng aking lolo nung ako ay bata pa. Apo, kahit napakalago ng iyong mga kamatis, haluan mo lang ng isang bulok, Apo. Lahat yan ay magiging bulok. Gaya po ng sinabi ng aking lolo, kailangan unahin natin ang paglilinis sa ating gobyerno. Dahil kung malinis na po ang ating gobyerno, anumang batas ay ating mapoproseso. And I thank you. I am Miss Congo.
Hi friends and not friends and not friends.
Tinagalog lang Tinagalog mo na, dinamay mo na si Rizal, dapat tinodo mo na, Miss Kuyo. O, dito tayo sa, ito, bago, next, wala, talo. Mami Irene, Daddy Armin, I love you, thank you po.
Yes, how will you answer it with, with a little question?
Ready as we welcome Mutia ng Taytay.
O, to, Taytay.
Hello, Mutia.
Taytay, ayusin nyo, Taytay, Taytay, ayusin nyo yan, Ang daming yung father, Dalawa yan. Taytay. Dalawa na yan, Dalawa tatay nyo. Pag hindi nyo inayos to, hindi lang isa ang tatay nyo, dalawa na. Ayusin nyo.
Yan ang Taytay. Ano masasabi mo sa mga supporters mo over here?
Throughout this journey, sobrang hirap, pagod at puyat. Pero nakikita ko sila na nag-cheer yung family, yung friends, especially sa municipality ko. It gives me the power to show the intelligence that Taytayano has.
Ayos to, Mukhang energetic to, Gege, ayusin mo,
Thank you.
Hindi pa yan yung question, okay? Okay. Mutia ng Taytay, your final question is this. Please listen carefully. One of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is the impeachment case of the Vice President of the Philippines. Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters, while others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed. As it constitutionally mandated, what is your stand on this issue? Should the Senate focus on legislative function?
Hoy, mag-like kayo! Hoy! Mag-like daw kayo! Ayaw nyo mag-like, tatapusin ko na to. Hindi pa kayo mga DDS, mag-like kayo. Puro DDS yung contestant, to. Mga DDS, mag-like kayo. Puro DDS na nga yung contestant, ayaw nyo pa. Tanga talaga kayo, Yan, numandar na. Sagot na tayo yung sagot.
Or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why? I'll repeat it once more. One of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is the impeachment case of the Vice President of the Philippines. Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters, while others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed, as it constitutionally mandated.
Ay, Ma'am Vina, Ikazutani, maraming salamat. Bayawin nyo yung light, fingering nyo na yan! Pag pininger ng iba yan, delikado. Okay? Ika nga ni Tatay Diggs, fingerin na yan.
What is your stand on this issue? Should the Senate focus on legislative function, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why?
For me, we should proceed to impeach the trial because
Oy, we should proceed to impeach the trial? Naku, nasobrahan naman to. Nasobrahan naman. Nasobrahan siya. We should impeach the trial. Ibig sabihin, papatalsikin natin yung yung ano ba yan? Ba't gano'n? Ba't gano'n? Alam mo, Sara Duterte, ayan ang tinuturo mo. Ha? Benefit of a doubt. Ayan na. Gumagapang na yung kamangmangan mo. Sara Duterte. Ulitin natin nga. Tama ba yung pagkarinig ko? Okay. Ulitin natin.
for me, we should proceed to impeach the trial because we cannot have a country that is okay when it comes to our government if we surpass one problem. We should focus one by one and not focus only one. We need to focus on every issue and shouldn't surpass anything or that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay ha. Sabi niya nga daw, focus one by one. Okay? We should impeach the trial. Okay ha. Okay. Huwag na kayo mag-comment. Napakasalbahin nyo. Respeto, oy! Huwag nyo anuin. Respeto naman, oh. We should impeach the trial. Respeto, oy! Respeto, ha? Respeto. Okay na yun. Huwag nyo nang anuin. Konti na lang. Mararating na natin. Konti na lang.
Thank you so much.
Mutiana Taytay.
That was a
Gusto niya yun eh. Gusto niyang alisin na yung trial eh. Si Bato nga oh. Si Bato nga eh. Oh. Si Bato nga eh. Hindi pa inaakyat. Gusto niya nang alisin. Ganon din si ate. Huwag alam nyo. Ang pakialamanan.
very straightforward answer. We
Yeah.
got
Okay, skip na natin to. Madami pang adlib yan eh. Okay, yan. Yan lang. Ito, Miss, ayos si Miss Taytay ha. Ayos ka, Miss Taytay. Impeach the trial.
Pinky Manlane. There you have it. Mutiana magsaysay.
Oh, ito, magsaysay ha. Kailangan may buhay, may saysay. Kapag hindi may saysay yung sagot mo, ayusin mo. Kailangan may saysay ang sagot ha. May saysay.
Congratulations for making it to the top 5. How does it feel?
I'm very much excited and I am really preparing for this and I am ready to get the crown.
Okay ha. Ready raw siya for this. At kukunin niya daw ang corona. Oh! Tingnan natin.
Okay, if you're ready to get that crown, well, here is your question. One of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is the impeachment case of the Vice President of the Philippines. Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters, while others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed,
Okay.
as it is constitutionally mandated.
Okay.
What is your stand on this issue? Should the Senate focus on its legislative function, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why? Again? One of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is the impeachment case of the Vice President of the Philippines. Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters, while others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed, as it is constitutionally mandated. What is your stand on this issue? Should the Senate focus on its legislative function or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial and why?
Good evening, everyone. As a daughter of Palawan, I strongly believe that we should focus more on the issues that is happening to our country, especially when it comes to the West Philippine Sea. And I strongly believe that there is a lot of issues that we should focus more and so that we can resolve a lot of problems happening in our society. And regarding with the impeachment of our Vice President, I believe it will be undergoing a process. And I strongly believe that if we focus more on improving our society, it will lead us to a progressive and better future. Because I strongly believe if we solve our problems, it is then true progress begins. That is all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Talo na naman, talo! Okay, ni. Nandun na tayo eh. Imelda, Embile, thank you ah. Okay, ni. Nandun na tayo sa West Philippine Sea. Okay, ni. Oh, talo na naman. Naghang eh. Dapat hindi ka naghang dyan. We just focus in West Philippine Sea. Naghang. Ayos na eh. Ang layo eh. Na-stuck sa West Philippine Sea. Nabomba. Nabomba ng China eh. Ayos na eh. Anak ng wedding. May age limit to, Alex. Hindi ka pwede dito, Alex. Ang ano dito, 5'3".
So much. Mutiana Magsaysay.
Magsaysay, nagawin walang saysay ah. Next natin, next. O, dito tayo.
For Mutiana San Vicente.
O, ito, San Vicente tayo. San Vicente.
Hello,
Kamusta?
Mutiana San Vicente. Congratulations once again for making it to the top 5. Kumusta? Ano ang nararamdaman mo?
Thank you for congratulating me, and I feel very empowered at this moment. It is an honor to enter top 5.
All right, that's not the question yet. All right, but thank you so much for giving your answer to that. Are you ready for your question?
I am ready.
All right. You
Putik.
have 60
Naka-green na naman to. Tutuloy pa ba natin to? Naka-green to eh. Green na naman to. Ge.
seconds to answer this question. One of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is the impeachment case of the Vice President of the Philippines. Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters, while others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed as it is consensually mandated. What is your stand on this issue?
Ayusin nyo ha, kaka-tiktok nyo yan, sabi ni Daddy Armin eh. Eh, nangyayari, kaka-tiktok nyo eh. Anak ng wedding eh. Eh, ganyan kasi mga kabataan ngayon, gusto puro chat GPT. Yan, napapala natin, kaka-chat GPT. Eto na, napapala. O, eto, ayusin mo ha. Ayusin mo.
Should the Senate focus on its legislative function, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why? Once again, one of the pressing issues facing the Senate today is the impeachment case of the Vice President of the Philippines.
Mama Mia, thank you po.
Some believe that the Senate should prioritize more urgent legislative matters, while others argue that the impeachment trial must proceed as it is consensually mandated. What is your stand on this issue? Should the Senate focus on its legislative function, or should it still proceed with the impeachment trial, and why?
One of the pressing issues today is indeed the case of our Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial. And my stand on this issue is that the government should focus on pursuing this impeachment trial, because I believe that a leader must lead with integrity,
Oy!
honesty, and transparency.
Oy!
I do think that our current Vice President, Sara Duterte, didn't show any of these characteristics.
Oy! Putik! 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 ChatGPT left the group! Putik! Galing! Putik, walang integridad ka daw, Sara! Tapusin muna natin, ha?
As a youth, I promote that we should be the future leaders of our community. We should vote for what is right and we should stand against corruption.
Putik! Sapul! Your Honor! Your Honor, Mr. Chair! Panalo na yan, Your Honor! Dadalhin natin sa impeachment to! Magaling to! Panalo to, San Vicente! Mabuhay kayo! Putik ng babaeng to, ang galing! Ayop! Panalo to! Galing! I-react nga natin. Unti-unti lang natin, ha? Unti-unti lang natin. Putik, kala ko green, ibang klase, ha? Don't judge the book by the green cover. Talaga, mali talaga tayo doon. Mali tayo doon, ha? Don't judge the book by the green cover. Ito na, ha? Bigyan natin ng isa-isain lang natin. Isa-isa, Tagalogin natin.
One of the pressing issues today is indeed the case of our Vice President Sara Duterte's impeachment trial.
Ang isa raw po na issue ngayon ay ang Vice President impeachment trial. Putik, galing mo, ha?
And my stand on this issue is that the government should focus on pursuing this impeachment trial.
Ang gobyerno daw kailangan ituloy ang impeachment trial. Putik. Putik. Ayop. Diretso.
Because I believe that a leader must lead with integrity.
Oy! Yun ang wala si Sara, left the world. Ang leader daw ay kailangan may integridad. May integridad. Ang galing na itong babae niya to. Ang galing mo.
Honesty.
Katapatan.
And transparency.
Naku po, katapatan at transparent. Galing.
And I do think that our current Vice President, Sara Duterte, didn't show any of these characteristics.
Oy, putek! At yung mga sinabi niya daw na honesty, integrity, transparent, wala daw si Sara doon. Putek! Sigawan ng mga tao. DDS left the world. Galing! Sheesh! Sheesh!
As a youth, I promote that we should be the future leaders of our community.
At bilang kabataan, tayo po ang kinikilalang kinabukasan, di ba, ng mga leader ng ating mga komunidad.
We should vote for what is right and we should stand against corruption.
Kailangan bumoto tayo kung ano ang tama at tayuan natin ang mga tiwali o kurakot. Galing!
Thank you.
Grabe
Thank you so much.
Grabe yung mga tao. Panalo ka na, San Vicente! San Vicente, panalo ka na! Oh, teka, ang lupit, men. Grabe, men. Ganyan po pagsasali tayo sa mga competition, kailangan po hindi ChatGPT yung utak natin. Ganyan po ang tama. Diba? Grabe, ang lakas ng crowd. Sakit sa tenga nga ng headset ko eh. Tama po yung sinabi niya. Diba? Unahin natin yung impeachment. Kasi kailangan, tama po yung sinasabi ni San Vicente. Na kailangan, ang leader po natin, ang leader, ang ating government official, diba? Ang nagdudugtong lang sa atin, sa government official, ay tiwala. Ngayon, kung wala po silang karakteristik nun, pagtitiwala, katapatan, integridad, hindi mo dapat ihalal at ilagay yan dyan. Diba? Kaya nga mayroon tayong betrayal of public trust. Kasi ang gobyerno po at ang taong bayan, tiwala lang ang nagdudugtong dyan. At dun sa tiwala na yun, nakapaloob doon ang malaking mandato. Ang pangalagaan po ang pera ng taong bayan. Ngayon, kung wala pong ganong karakteristik, sabi nga ni San Vicente, ay hindi na po dapat talaga i-impeach natin si Sara. Napakagaling mo, San Vicente, mahal na kita. Galing, no? Ayan po ang ating Miss Palawan. Ang galing, no? Kala ko wala nang sasagot ng tama eh. Husay. Husay.